Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Now we're going to prepare to cook the Nasi Lemak or coconut rice. I have with me over here 320 grams of jasmine rice or Thai jasmine rice, which I've washed and rinsed. You can use basmati rice if you want to. We'll put this into the pot. I will be adding in 300 grams of water, pour in, and also 220 grams of the coconut milk. This will give the fragrance. That's why it's known as Nasi Lemak or coconut rice. We need to season the rice a little bit. Half a teaspoon of salt. To increase the flavor, we will add in the white part of a lemongrass, lightly smashed to release the aroma. And about 5 or 6 leaves of pandan leaves, tie into a knot like this. Put it in, stir it up a little bit. This recipe is good for 4 bowls of rice or for 4 person, regular person. If you are a big eater like me, maybe 3. Okay, we'll put this into the rice cooker and we'll cook it exactly like how we cook our normal rice. So we'll put this into our rice cooker. Select normal rice cooking and we'll cook this. The rice is done. Let's have a look. Smells really good. Now we'll remove the pandan leaf as well as the lemongrass from the rice. We need to loosen it a little bit. Do not worry if you see any coconut residue by the side. Just loosen up the rice. Let's just have a taste. It smells really fantastic. Very fragrant. You can taste the coconut milk as well as the fragrance from the lemongrass. So this is how we do our rice. I like to mix the chili with the rice. A little bit of the egg plus the egg yolk, the liquid egg yolk, like what you can see over here. This is so good. Mix them up. I tell you, that's why Southeast Asia is really the haven for food. Nasi Lemak, a simple dish, a dish I can find everywhere, but this is really so good. The chili, the rice, the anchovies, the egg, plus this beautiful salted egg yolk chicken. I tell you, this is the best combination one can actually hope for. Crunchy, fragrant. Wow, really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're hungry also like me right now. I will not talk much. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. You want to eat also? Cannot lah. Oh.